The Galaxy Watch Ultra already has a strong look. So what happens when you add even more personality? The metal case, the dock display, and that orange button already make it easy to recognize. It looks rugged, expensive, and very intentional. But there is one downside. Most Galaxy Watch Ultra setups end up looking pretty similar. The watch stands out, but it doesn't always feel personal. A different band can change that, without changing anything about the watch itself. This Hemsut Nylon band brings in two things the watch doesn't have: a softer texture and a much stronger hit of color. That could make the Ultra feel more personal and easier to wear every day, or it could make an expensive watch look a little less premium. It is also much more flexible than the case. That matters because a softer band can change how the whole watch sits and moves on the wrist. So, let's put it together and see what actually changes. The difference is obvious, but not in the way I expected. The watch still looks tough, it just feels less serious. The color gives your eye somewhere else to go. Instead of seeing only a large metal case, you start looking at the complete setup. The flexible nylon also helps balance the solid case. It doesn't make the Ultra smaller, but it makes the combination feel less rigid. On the wrist, it still looks like a Galaxy Watch Ultra. The difference is that it now feels more casual and a little easier to make your own. The hook and loop adjustment also makes it easy to fine-tune the fit instead of being stuck between two fixed holes. There is a trade-off. Nylon can hold sweat and dust more easily than silicone, so it needs a little more cleaning and drying. And if you like the cleaner factory look, the extra color may be too much. This isn't automatically better. It is simply a different way to wear the same watch. For me, the metal case still looks premium. The nylon just makes the watch feel less predictable and much more personal. Which would you choose? Clean and understated, or colorful and personal?